Hello and welcome to Hirose's How-To videos. Today we're going to cover the iX Industrial Field Assembly Connector. This new connector allows you to install it with everyday tools that you may have in your toolbox. We're going to be referencing the assembly instruction document. We are going to be working with a 28 gauge Ethernet cable. Cable options and specifications can be found on page 2 of the assembly instructions. We are using connector iX30GF2-A-10S-CV. This connector comes in 5 pieces in a blister pack for easy transportation. Illustrated here are the pin locations and assignments for Ethernet applications. Here are the items needed for your assembly. Cable termination. You'll want to start with 20 millimeters length longer than your desired cable length. This will allow for the amount needed to sit inside the connector. Strip the cable 20 millimeters from the end. If working with a shielded cable, cut the shield to 5 millimeters. Then remove any extra materials within the cable. Untwist the wires and arrange them to align with the pin assignments as illustrated in section 5 of the assembly instructions. Insert the wires into the cable guide according to section 5 of the assembly instructions. Ensure that all the wires are fully inserted to the back of the cable guide. Crimp the guide using pliers. Ensure that the wires have not slipped out. Checking the crimp. There are 3 areas you'll want to check that the crimp went well, and will guide into the shield case assembly. Shield case assembly. Position your plug unit so that the notch is facing upward in relation to the shield case, as shown here. Lay the cable into the shield case and pull forward. Check these points to ensure that they are engaged. Push down on the shield shell at the spot closest to the bending area. If you push down near the braided shield, the shell may deform. Please check these 4 points after the assembly is completed. Cover case assembly. Position the connector so that the notch shape on the plug is facing upward as previously illustrated. Press the shield assembly in with your finger in the direction of the arrow. Ensure to fit the case by aligning the thick lines as shown in the figure below. Assemble cover case B1 by pressing it in with your finger. Ensure that the locking parts of cover case B2 are completely engaged. You may secure the cable clamp area with pliers. Ensure the braided shield is in the red framed area before clamping the cable. Now you've completed your iX field assembly.